Hello everyone, it's another fitness episode and today I'm talking about exercise. And I know sometimes we don't want to hear the word exercise, but when you incorporate exercise with music, with fun and dance, that is an entirely different ball game. I have incorporated dance steps with Zumba, with workout steps to come up with one full episode, and I would share them once in a while, and I hope that some of you have already seen my videos with workouts and dances put together. And in fact, I have had the privilege of collaborating with two already in terms of putting together our ideas and steps. So if any one of you there wants to do a workout collaboration with me, definitely feel free to email me or send me a message or just comment below, and then we will find a way to make things work. So if you think that my video is helpful to you, give it a like, or better yet, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so that every time I come up with a video, you stay notified. I try to come up with a video once a week, and that's my default. Now, if I have a little extra to share, then I throw in an extra video for that week. My channel is about pursuing happiness, fitness, and health through positivity.
Let me take you dancing like that.
So that's what I wanted to talk about today. Exercise, because that is a great way to stay fit, to stay healthy, to lose weight, to maintain your weight. And last but not least, exercise is very good for our mental health. The more we move, the more we do physical activity, the more serotonins we produce on our brains. And remember, you don't have to just do treadmill, you don't have to just run, especially if you're running alone and it's dark, you don't want to do that. But you can always watch my videos and join me, and let's stay healthy. But I really believe that when we are active, when we are engaged in lots of physical movement, we actually encourage positivity into our lives, because a positive mind really opens up a lot of avenues for gratitude, for inspiration, for motivation, for encouragement, for working with others in a very, very pleasant way. It really gets us to come out there and be the best that we can be, and we also become so enthusiastic that we can even encourage others to be just as enthusiastic. Now, you may have a very busy schedule, because I do have a very busy schedule too. Like, I have a full-time job from Monday to Friday. So the only time I have is Saturday and Sunday. And I have this channel to take care of. I also have my Everiathing TV show. Of course, most of all, I have my family to take care of. But time management is really, really crucial if you want to succeed in many avenues in your life. And the reason I'm doing this channel is because I know that positivity has helped me in many, many ways, through difficulties, through pain, through illness, through struggles. And I know that it will work for you too. So how can we incorporate exercise when we have a very, very busy lifestyle? What I do is I wake up 30 minutes or 1 hour earlier than usual if I know that I'm going to exercise that day, so that I can devote at least 45 minutes to exercise, because warm-up is already a good 5 or 10 minutes. And when I'm so into the choreography, I don't notice I've already been doing it for 45 minutes, and before we know it, I'm rushing to work, right? So wake up earlier, and then that way you have time for exercise. I do have videos that are just 3 minutes, 4 minutes, because it's one dance sequence, which you can definitely use. So just watch that twice, and you can guarantee you've had a good 7 minutes of workout. So that's all you need, and as long as it's intense, and as long as you've sweat out, then that is good exercise. Just repeat. Repetition is a good way to really sweat it out. And another one is high cardio, impact, fast movements. Those are really, really good forms of exercise, and you burn a lot of calories that early in the morning. So yeah, fit that in. Make sure that during your week, you're going to set at least 3 days for exercise. Wake up early in the morning, or if you can't, then you can do it when you get home. But sometimes we are too tired, especially if our day didn't go so well, right? We're too tired, we just want to rest our legs, rest our feet. So do it early in the morning. But before you even do your warm-up, make sure to drink your 1 liter of water, because that really helped me a lot in maintaining my weight. And have that liter of water right beside you, because as you're exercising, you're gonna need that water. So my weekly routine is usually 3 short exercises during the weekdays, and the weekend, that's when I have longer workouts or dance routines, because I'm either creating a choreography or just doing my usual workout. And sometimes I hike with my youngest. Now that it's getting warmer, we are up for hiking again once in a while, so that's a good one, which I really welcome into my life. Back in the day, my eldest and I would do Zumba, but now it's all online. And I've actually started a workout session via Zoom. And if I can gather more interested people, why not? We can do that. We can work on steps and then create our entire dance sequence at the end. That's going to be fun. Okay, so don't forget, take care of your body, take care of your mind. A healthy body makes for a healthy mind, and a healthy mind makes for a healthy body.